Hi guys, so I'm just here obviously to do the draw for the giveaway. So first of all, want to just say thank you so much to everybody who made a comment and things. Actually felt so overwhelmed and humbled by the comments. I mean, when I kind of said leave a comment, I really just meant, you know, yay, enter me in the draw. So wow, your comments were just beyond lovely, and yeah, really thrilled and so nice to read. So thank you so much everyone, that was just absolutely lovely. So yeah, thank you very much. So I have watched a few other giveaways to kind of see how people do them. Seems that most people use the random number generator on Google, so I thought I will give that a go. So I'm going to put the items to one side. So I've got my iPad here where I've just literally typed in random number generator. I have printed off the list of comments here and then put a number beside each one, so that obviously once I put in the number I can then correspond it to the person. There were 44 comments, so 44 kind of entries, so I should put that in. Really weird, because I have felt really nervous about this all morning, which crazy because it's not like it's live TV or anything, but obviously I've been feeling kind of excited and nervous, and you know, anyway, so here goes. So obviously the number is 1 at the top there, hopefully you can see that, and I've typed in 44 and then I just click generate and it's generated and it's number 1. So number 1 actually was Diane Jarvis. So well done, Diane. Thank you very much for entering. Thank you everyone else as well to entering or for entering. And Diane, if you just want to contact me, hopefully you can get my contact details from YouTube. I hadn't really thought this bit through obviously, but if you can't, if you just reply to your post and then I will reply to you giving you my contact details, and then if you just give me your postal address, then I can get cracking and post that off to you. So thank you very much, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.